Good morning, children. Take out your English grammar book. Open it at page number 62. Today we are going to study about pronouns. Do you know, children, what is pronoun? A word that is used in place of noun is called a pronoun. There are some words which are called pronoun. For example, I, you, he, she, they, it. These words show who or what is doing the action. For example, you can come tomorrow, or it is my favorite story book. And some words just like me, him, her, us, them show who or what receives the action, and they come after the action word. Now let's do exercise A. Underline the pronouns in these sentences. First sentence, a bear frightened us. So here pronoun is us. So underline pronoun. Number 2, give this bag to Shyam. It belongs to him. It is used for bag and him is used for Shyam. Okay. So underline it and him in second sentence. Number 3, I want to play. Please play with me. Here pronouns are I and me. Underline them. Number 4, please come with me. Here me is pronoun, so underline it. Number 5, Kim is very helpful. I like her. Her is used for Kim. Okay. So underline I and her. Exercise B, you have to choose the correct pronoun from the brackets to complete the sentences. First sentence, where are the muffins? Did you eat all of us or them? It is them. So use them in the blank. Number 2, Amy did not go to school. Her or she woke up late. Correct pronoun is she. She woke up late. Fill she here. Number 3, I walk fast. Who can walk faster than she or me? Correct word is me. So fill in the blank. Fourth, the glass broke. It or we slipped out of my hand. Correct pronoun is it. Mania gave he or us a present when she came to our house. Correct word is us. So fill in us. Now come to page number 63. And here you have to replace the words in bold with pronouns and write the sentences. Right? Children, first sentence is Ankit is a good dancer. His sister loves Ankit. Children, when we are talking about someone, in the first sentence we can use the name of the person. But in the second sentence, when we talk about that person, we do not repeat his or her name, but instead of in the first time we will tell the name, but second time we will use pronoun for if there is a boy, we will use him or his, like, and if there is a girl, we use her. Right? And for the animal, we use it. Or if there are more than 2 persons we are talking about, we'll use for them. Okay? Now, first sentence is Ankit is a good dancer. Second, his sister loves Ankit. Now, Ankit is written bold and we have to replace this word with pronoun. Ankit is a good dancer. His sister loves him. Second time we'll use him for Ankit. Number 2, Sania is 6 years old. Sania is in grade 1. We are not going to repeat Sania, and we'll use pronoun for Sania here. what pronoun will use? She. Sanya is 6 years old. She is in grade 1. Number 3. That dog looks unfriendly. That dog growls when I go near it. So we are not going to repeat that dog again and again. So instead of that dog, we will say it. Okay. For one animal, we say it. That dog looks unfriendly. In the place of that dog, we say it growls when I go near it. Fourth sentence. Shruti is an intelligent girl. The teacher praised Shruti. Now second time we will not say Shruti. Instead of saying Shruti, we will say her. Shruti is an intelligent girl. The teacher praised her. Right? Number 5th sentence. Papa is spending time with Dhruv and Naman. Father will take Dhruv and Naman out today. So when there are more than 2 persons, we say them. Papa is spending time with Dhruv and Naman. Father will take, instead of Dhruv and Naman, we'll say will take them out today. For Ankit here we use him. For Sanya we use she. For that dog we use it. For Shruti here we use her. And for Dhruv and Naman we have used them. So these words which have been used for in the place of noun, they are called pronoun. Now exercise D. Complete this telephone conversation using suitable pronouns. Grandma. Hello Rishi. How are you? Here you are going to write you. Rishi. Hi Grandma. I am well. Grandma. Is your mother home? I need to speak with her. Rishi. Mummy has gone to the market. She went to buy vegetables. Grandma. Okay. Can you remember to give her a message? Rishi. Yes, Granny. I am a big boy now. Grandma. Yes, you are. Please tell her to call me as soon as she comes home. Rishi. Okay, Grandma. I will remember. Now turn over your page to 65. Here you can see that there are underlined words and you have to replace these underlined word with pronouns. Okay. First sentence. Ravi will win the race. Ravi can run very fast. Second time we will not say Ravi. What we will say? He. So at the place of Ravi we will write he. Ravi will win the race. He can run very fast. Number 2. The kittens are mewing. The kittens are hungry. Instead of the kittens, second time the kittens, we will use they. The kittens are mewing. They are hungry. Third sentence. Meena is talented. Meena is a good dancer. Second time instead of Meena, what we will write? She. Meena is talented. She is a good dancer. Fourth sentence. Mummy, Papa and I are having lunch. Mummy, Papa and I are eating idli sambar. First time we have read Mummy, Papa and I. Second time what we will use in the place of Mummy, Papa and I? We. W-E-V. We are eating idli and sambar. The grapes are sweet. The grapes are tasty. The grapes are sweet. Second time for the grapes we use they. They are tasty. Children, I hope you must have understood. Please do this exercise in your grammar book.